Hello all, welcome to the channel. This is D Square and today we will talk about how to make a remote load on SolidWorks and what is the application of remote load. So I am starting the tutorial. First, why I need to apply a remote load because when I have any object but I don't have the physical model of it and I need to make a simulation for that. So that's why we need a remote load. In a remote load, we have some parameters of that object like center, total value of loading, etc. So this is the how we can use remote load for that object. So in this video, we will talk two methods for remote load. So I am starting. First method is with the use of a coordinate system. Okay, so I'm doing it. Now here, this is a part of a CNC turning machine headstock and we will apply load on this face and the circle. Okay, so I am making one sketch for my custom coordinate system. Here I am here I need a custom coordinate system with the center of this hole. So I'm making a line and the distance is 120 mm. Okay, click OK. Now exit. Now go to here feature reference geometry, get here coordinate system and select this point. Now click OK. Here you can see we have our new custom coordinate system with distance is 120 mm. Okay. Now here simulation. Also you can make a new simulation. Click here simulation, new study. Click OK. Now in here you will right click and you can get a remote load. Now in this section you just need to select the face of the body where you need to apply the load. So here I am selecting this face. Now go down here you can see user define, select here and select our new coordinate system. Now we just need to apply load in x, y and z direction. So first make it normal. Here my load will apply in this direction. So this is my x direction according to this coordinate system. Okay, so I need to apply the load value in the x direction. Now I am applying the value is okay 1 kilonewton and here you can see the arrow, so make it reverse. Now okay, now click OK. Now hide this one. So this is the first way to make a remote load with the use of a custom coordinate system, right? Here your remote load is applied. You just need to give material, fixture and mesh and run the study. Now we will talk about the second one. Okay, so second method is we don't need any coding system but we need some calculations. Okay, so for that right click here and get here remote load. First is fixed, so my face is fixed, so I need to make this face, apply load on this face. Now we don't need to select here a coordinate system but we need to give the value of x, y and z axis, right? So here my hole is x direction, is in the x direction, right? So I need to apply value here. So I am normal it. Let's apply 130 mm. first I'm applying here 130 and also give the value 1 kilonewton and make it reverse. Here you can see I applied here value 130 and arrow is here. Now I am applying here 120. It will go in inside. Now I applying 30 mm. Here you can see. So this calculation is from this side. This phase is 0, 20, 120 here and 130 is also here. So I need to make here 120 mm. Okay, so this is for x-axis. If I need offset value like I want to 5 in y direction, so I need to add 5 mm. So here you can see center is offset, let's say 15 mm. Okay, here you can see center is going upside. I want to make it reverse, so add minus sign here, and here you can see the center is downside, right? Now this is for y. If I want to offset with the z direction, so I need to apply value for z direction, let's say 20 mm in z direction. So here you can see arrow is 20 mm offset with the center of this hole. If I want minus side, reverse side, okay, so make it here minus. Here you can see, okay, now make it here 0, make it here 0. Okay, so this is the center of this hole, right? Okay, so this is the second way how to find remote load in SolidWorks. Okay, now here if you want to apply load value, here I am applying load value in x-axis. If I want to apply y-axis, here you can see y, and here you can see also z-axis, right? Three axes is here. This is force and this is translation. Okay, now click OK. Now here I am applying here material going down, and I need here gray cast iron, apply and close. Now fixture, so in this we will fix the 6 hole. Okay, now here material applied, fixture and load is also applied. Now mesh set as default. Okay, mesh is also completed. Now run the study. Okay, we have the result. Double click on chart and so minimum maximum annotation, and I'm making the floating number definition megapascal. Here you can see the scale value, deformation scale value. This is more, this is true and user defined. Make is automated. Okay, here you can see the maximum and minimum stress value. So this part I have the maximum stress value is 6.619 megapascal and minimum is here side. Let's say displacement. Double clicking on chart, so minimum, maximum, and get your floating number. Click OK. Now isometric view. Here you can see my maximum displacement area is this one, and my maximum displacement is 3 micron. So in this application I need less displacement because let's, okay, model here in this phase my spindle face will connect with this face, so I need less displacement. If my body will displace more, then spindle will displace more, and the chuck is also displaced more, so that my workpiece is also displaced more. So I need less displacement for this phase. So I have a 3 micron displacement. So 3 micron displacement is enough for me for a better machining accuracy of the workpiece. Okay, so this is the how you can make a remote load. Here we discussed two methods of making remote load. In my further video, I also made one video for make a remote load. Description link is given in I button also. Okay, so if you are learning here something new, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.